Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more fantastic yoga content. Today, we're focusing on the best beginner-friendly yoga poses and sequences to kickstart your yoga journey. Let's dive in. First up is mountain pose, also known as Tadasana. This foundational pose improves posture and balance. Stand tall with your feet together, arms at your sides, and shoulders relaxed. Engage your thighs, lift your chest, and take deep breaths. Hold for 30 seconds to a minute. Next, we have downward dog. This pose stretches the entire body and is great for building strength. Start on your hands and knees, lift your hips, and straighten your legs to form an inverted V shape. Press your heels towards the floor and hold for 1 to 2 minutes. Child's pose is a wonderful resting pose that stretches the back and calms the mind. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, and extend your arms forward, resting your forehead on the mat. Hold for 1 to 3 minutes. Warrior Eye is excellent for building strength and improving focus. Step 1 foot forward into a lunge, turn your back foot out, and lift your arms overhead. Hold for 30 seconds to a minute on each side. This pose stretches the hamstrings and lower back. Sit with your legs extended. Inhale as you lengthen your spine, and exhale as you reach for your feet. Hold for 1 to 2 minutes. Incorporating these poses into a simple sequence can create a balanced and effective beginner yoga practice. Try flowing from mountain pose to downward dog, then to child's pose, warrior Y, and finally, seated forward bend. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching and namaste.